This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series episode 21. This series is specially designed for the students of CSS to help them prepare for the MCQs portion of the subject Pakistan Affair. And other students of PMS and those who prepare for job exam test through FPSC or PPSC can also take benefit from this video series. So let's start with this episode. In this video we will cover MCQs about the Allahabad address of Allama Iqbal. So this is going to be an important video from the exam point of view. Okay, first MCQ is annual session of All India Muslim League was held in 1930 in, options are in Lucknow, Lahore, Agra, Allahabad. So the correct option is Allahabad. Annual session of All India Muslim League was held in 1930 in Allahabad. Who presided over the annual session of Muslim League in 1930? Options are Jinnah, Allama Iqbal, Aga Khan, Gandhi. So the correct option is Allama Iqbal. Allama Iqbal was the person who presided over the annual session of Muslim League in 1930. Dr. Allama Iqbal got the title of Sir in, options are 1926, 1924, 1922, 1920. So the correct option is 1922, and it is important MCQs. Allama Iqbal got the title of Sir in 1922. Iqbal's presidential address at Allahabad laid the foundation of, options are Hindu nationalism, Hindu-Muslim unity, Muslim nationalism, Indian nationality. So the correct answer here is Muslim nationalism. Allama Iqbal's presidential address at Allahabad laid the foundation of Muslim nationalism. Muslim leader was idealist as well as thinker. Options are Chaudhry Muhammad Ali, Allama Iqbal, Quaid-e-Azam, Liaquat Ali Khan. So the correct option here is Allama Iqbal, who was not just an idealist but a thinker as well. Which was the political area of Allama Iqbal? Options are Delhi, Bombay, Punjab, Agra. So the correct option here is Punjab. Punjab was the political area of Allama Iqbal. Iqbal became the member of Punjab Legislative Council in, options are 1923, 1924, 1925, 1926. So fourth is the right option here, which is 1926. Iqbal became the member of Punjab Legislative Council in 1926. Who set before Indian Muslim national goals which later became Pakistan? Options are Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, Liaquat Ali Khan, Allama Iqbal, Quaid-e-Azam. So the correct answer here is Allama Iqbal. Okay, Allama Iqbal was the person who first set the goal for the Indian Muslim nationals, which later became the goal of Pakistan. Who said Hindus and Muslims are two separate nations who could never become one nation? Options are Quaid-e-Azam, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, Allama Iqbal. So the correct answer here is Allama Iqbal. Who said in 1930 that Muslims of India ultimately have to establish a separate homeland? Options are Fatima Jinnah, Altaf Hussain Hali, Allama Iqbal, Quaid-e-Azam. So the correct answer here is Allama Iqbal. As for the Muslims of Pakistan, who was accepted as the visionary who convinced the idea of a separate homeland? Options are Nawab Waqarul Mulk, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Quaid-e-Azam, Allama Iqbal. So fourth is the right option here, which is Allama Iqbal. Allama Iqbal was accepted as the visionary person who convinced the idea of separate homeland. When the climax of Iqbal's political career came? Options are 1930, 1931, 1932, 1933. So first is the right option here, which is 1930. In 1930, the climax of Iqbal's political career came. Whose claim in 1930 made the Indian Muslims are nation than a community? Options are Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Allama Iqbal, Fazl al Haq, Zafar Ali Khan. So the correct option here is Allama Iqbal. Okay, Allama Iqbal was the person who made a claim that Indian Muslims are nation and not just a community. Who expressed his view in 1930 that Hindus and Muslims are two separate nations who could never become one? Okay, just repeated MCQ. Options are Quaid-e-Azam, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Allama Iqbal and Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. So the correct option here is Allama Iqbal. Iqbal's address shows that he had come close to the idea of, options are unity, freedom, separation, dignity. So the correct option here is separation. Iqbal's address showed that he had come close to the idea of separation. The Lahore Resolution passed in 1940 was in fact based on, options are Nehru Report, 14 Points of Jinnah, Simon Commission Report, Allama Iqbal's address at Allahabad. So the correct answer here is Allama Iqbal's address at Allahabad. The Lahore Resolution passed in 1940 was in fact based on the Allama Iqbal's address at Allahabad. So these are the 4 questions to test yourself. You can just pause the video here and solve these questions. You can either make a mental note or write an answer on paper and just compare your answer from the answers in the comment section. So good luck.